In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer in Notion. By the end, you'll have a live timer on your page, perfect for tracking deadlines, launches, or events right where you plan and organize. First, open the Notion website in your browser and sign into your workspace. Once you're in, either open the page where you want the timer to appear or create a new one. If you're starting fresh, click to add a new page, give it a clear title, and choose a layout that leaves room for a widget, like a blank page or a simple template, so the timer stands out. Next, we'll add the embed block that will hold your timer. On your page, press the / key on your keyboard to bring up Notion's command menu. Start typing embed, then select the embed block from the list. This creates a space where Notion can display external content. Now it's time to add the countdown timer itself. You'll paste the timer code or a shareable embed link into the field that appears. Many timer tools online provide an embeddable link or an iframe code you can copy. If you have an embed URL, paste it directly and click the button to confirm. If you have an iframe code, paste it as well. Notion will usually detect it and convert it to an embed. If you see a prompt asking to allow the embed, approve it to display your timer. A quick tip here. Use a trusted, secure source for your countdown and make sure the link is publicly accessible over HTTPS so Notion can display it. If your tool lets you set the target date, time, and time zone before copying the embed, do that first so the countdown matches your schedule. Double-check the time zone if your team works globally. Once the timer appears, you can resize the block by dragging its corners or edges to make it fit your layout. If the timer looks cramped, give it some space by adding empty lines above or below, or move it higher on the page so it's easy to see. If your embed supports styling, you can adjust colors, fonts, or labels directly in the timer tool and then update the embed if needed. Finally, refresh the page to confirm the countdown is running, and preview it on mobile to ensure it's readable. That's it. Your countdown timer is now live in Notion, ready to keep your timeline front and center.